Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
In order to change the gearbox oil, you'll first need to buy transmission cleaner and a container of gearbox oil. You can find the recommended parts and products in the video description, as well as a link that will tell you the type of oil and the amount needed. Turn your engine off, engage the parking brake, pull the hood release, and open the hood. Jack the front of the vehicle. Set the vehicle on jack stands. We strongly suggest that you watch the tutorial jacking your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Next, you can remove the plastic crankcase if there is one in order to access the cap for refilling transmission fluid. Now you can see the gearbox oil filler cap, which will allow you to add transmission cleaner to the used gearbox oil. On this vehicle, the refill cap is on the driver's side at one end of the gearbox in front of the radiator. Unscrew the white plastic cap of the gearbox refill by turning it counterclockwise. Tape a funnel to the hose with a smaller diameter than the filling hole and insert the hose into the hole. Before draining the oil, we recommend adding a transmission cleaner to the used oil. This will allow you to efficiently clean out the deposits that may clog the gearbox before you drain the oil. Next, add the transmission cleaner. Be patient, because it may take a long time for the fluid to pass through such a thin hose. Put the refill cap back on. Once the product has been added, do not drive your car. Make sure to change the oil immediately afterwards. Leave your engine turning over slowly for 10 to 15 minutes.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Now you can see the oil drain plug. Make sure not to confuse the gearbox oil drain plug and the motor oil drain plug. Unscrew the drain nut. Use a square oil change key to begin with and finish off the process by hand. Be careful as you finish unscrewing, as the oil may spurt out without warning. In advance, you'll need to prepare a container to catch the oil. We suggest you watch another of our videos how to make a liquid collector container. Let the oil flow for about 10 minutes. Replace the drain seal with a new one, then screw the cap back on. Start by hand, then finish off using a wrench without over-tightening. Now it's time to put the oil back into the gearbox. This must be done carefully and precisely. To refill the oil, use the same funnel and plastic hose that you used to add the transmission cleaner. Insert them into the refill. Add the oil back in slowly because of the thinness of the hose. This might take some time. The gearbox oil level is found by overflowing. You've reached the perfect oil level when some oil spills out of the spout onto the ground. If you refill the oil while the vehicle is raced, you need to know the exact amount of oil you're using, since you can't rely on its overflowing from the refill. In the video description, you can find a tutorial on the exact quantity of oil recommended for your car. Screw the white plastic cap back on. You can then set your vehicle back onto the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.